In the world of motorhomes, there are countless models, each offering unique features and capabilities. But have you ever wondered which RVs take things to the next level with the most outrageous features? Well, you're about to find out. Today, we're diving into the top 10 most insane and over-the-top motorhomes. Let's kick it off. Renegade RV is the epitome of rugged luxury, designed for the true adventure seeker who refuses to compromise on comfort. Built with a robust construction that can withstand the harshest terrains, this motorhome combines strength with high-end features for an unparalleled travel experience. The spacious interiors are adorned with stylish finishes, ensuring that every journey feels like a getaway in a five-star hotel. With state-of-the-art technology and amenities, you can enjoy the comforts of home, whether you're parked in a scenic campsite or off the beaten path. The fully equipped kitchen, luxurious bathroom, and comfortable sleeping quarters provide everything you need for long trips. Whether you're navigating rocky trails or cruising down the highway, the Renegade RV offers the perfect blend of adventure and sophistication, making every trip memorable. The Heartland Big Horn is a luxurious fifth wheel that redefines long-term travel with its spacious and meticulously designed interiors. Crafted for comfort and style, this motorhome boasts expansive living areas that feel more like a home than a trailer. The high ceilings and large windows flood the space with natural light, creating an inviting atmosphere. With its upscale features, including a gourmet kitchen equipped with modern appliances, a cozy living room with plush seating, and a dining area perfect for family meals, every inch is designed for relaxation and enjoyment. The Master Suite offers a tranquil retreat, complete with a king-sized bed and ample storage. Outdoor living is just as impressive, with features like an exterior kitchen and entertainment options, making the Heartland Big Horn perfect for both adventure and leisure. Enjoy the journey in style. The Thor Motor Coach Tuscany redefines luxury on wheels, delivering an upscale travel experience that rivals the finest hotels. With its elegant design and premium craftsmanship, every inch of this motorhome exudes sophistication. Step inside to discover heated floors that keep you warm on chilly mornings, and expansive living spaces adorned with high-quality materials that invite relaxation. The gourmet kitchen is equipped with top-of-the-line appliances, making meal preparation a pleasure, while the spacious dinette offers a perfect spot for dining and socializing. Luxurious sleeping quarters promise restful nights, complete with plush bedding and ample storage. With advanced technology and entertainment systems, every journey transforms into a first-class adventure. Whether you're navigating scenic routes or setting up camp, the Thor Motor Coach Tuscany ensures that luxury and comfort are always at your fingertips. The Sierra by Forest River stands out as a premier high-end fifth wheel, designed for those who appreciate the finer things in life while on the road. With its expansive interiors, this motorhome offers ample space for relaxation and entertainment, making it an ideal choice for families and adventure seekers alike. Luxurious amenities abound, including a gourmet kitchen equipped with high-end appliances, perfect for whipping up delicious meals. The inviting living area features plush seating and sophisticated decor, creating a warm atmosphere for gatherings or quiet evenings. Spacious bedrooms provide a restful retreat, with comfortable beds and stylish finishes. With its attention to detail and superior craftsmanship, the Sierra ensures that every trip feels like a luxurious escape. The KZ RV Sportsman is the ultimate companion for outdoor enthusiasts seeking adventure without compromising on comfort. This impressive motorhome boasts a range of luxurious features designed to elevate your travel experience. Spacious layouts offer plenty of room for families and friends, allowing everyone to relax and unwind after a day of exploration. Inside, you'll find modern amenities, including a well-equipped kitchen, cozy sleeping areas, and stylish living spaces that invite you to kick back and enjoy your surroundings. The durable construction ensures that this RV can withstand the rigors of outdoor living, while large windows provide breathtaking views of nature as you travel. Whether you're embarking on a weekend getaway or an extended road trip, the KZ RV Sportsman combines functionality with elegance, making it the perfect choice for those who crave the great outdoors. The Dynamax Assada 5 redefines luxury in the world of motorhomes with its stunning design and high-end finishes. This Class C beauty seamlessly blends comfort and style, making it the perfect choice for discerning travelers. With its eye-catching exterior and well-crafted interior, the Assada 5 is designed for those who refuse to settle for mediocrity. Spacious living areas feature plush seating, elegant cabinetry, and premium materials that create an inviting atmosphere for relaxation. The fully equipped kitchen boasts modern appliances and ample storage, allowing you to whip up gourmet meals on the go. Whether you're embarking on a weekend getaway or a cross-country adventure, the Dynamax Assada 5 promises an unparalleled travel experience, ensuring that every journey is as enjoyable as the destination. Experience the open road like never before. The Fleetwood Discovery is the epitome of luxury and comfort on wheels, offering an exceptional blend of spacious living and modern amenities. This Class A motorhome is designed for those who crave the open road without compromising on style. Step inside to find expansive living areas adorned with stylish decor, plush furnishings, and panoramic windows that invite the beauty of nature indoors. The gourmet kitchen boasts top-of-the-line appliances, ensuring that meal prep feels like a pleasure rather than a chore. With features like a luxurious bathroom and ample storage, the Discovery caters to all your travel needs. Whether you're enjoying a cozy night in or entertaining friends, this motorhome guarantees a perfect getaway, making every journey an unforgettable experience. Embrace the freedom of the road in true style with the Fleetwood Discovery. The Airstream Classic is the epitome of timeless elegance, seamlessly blending retro charm with modern luxury. Its iconic aluminum exterior turns heads on every journey, evoking a sense of nostalgia while housing cutting-edge features. Inside, the spacious layout is designed for comfort and convenience, showcasing handcrafted cabinetry and luxurious furnishings that invite relaxation. The gourmet kitchen comes equipped with high-end appliances, making it easy to prepare delicious meals while on the road. With panoramic windows, you can soak in breathtaking views, creating the perfect ambiance for your adventures. The Airstream Classic also includes advanced technology for entertainment and connectivity, ensuring you remain connected while you explore. Experience the open road in style and sophistication with the Airstream Classic, a true icon of luxury travel. The Prevost H345 is the pinnacle of luxury motorhomes, designed for those who demand elegance and comfort on the open road. With its sleek, aerodynamic profile, this coach not only turns heads, but also ensures a smooth ride. Step inside, and you'll be greeted by a spacious interior that redefines travel, featuring high-end finishes, plush seating, and expansive living areas perfect for entertaining or unwinding after a long day. Premium amenities abound, including a state-of-the-art entertainment system, gourmet kitchen, and luxurious bathrooms, all crafted with meticulous attention to detail. Whether you're embarking on a cross-country adventure or a weekend getaway, the Prevost H345 provides an unparalleled travel experience, blending sophistication with functionality for those who appreciate the finer things in life. Luxurious Class A motorhomes by Tiffin are the epitome of comfort and elegance, designed for discerning travelers who seek the best in road adventures. These motorhomes feature personalized interiors that reflect your unique style, with customizable layouts and finishes that cater to your preferences. Each model boasts spacious living areas, offering high-end furnishings, large panoramic windows for stunning views, and gourmet kitchens, equipped with top-of-the-line appliances. Tiffin's attention to detail is evident in every aspect, from plush bedding to luxurious bathrooms with modern fixtures. Advanced technology enhances your travel experience, providing seamless connectivity and entertainment options. With a Tiffin Class A motorhome, you can embark on unforgettable journeys while enjoying the ultimate in luxury and convenience, making every trip feel like a five-star retreat on wheels. The Nexus RV Viper redefines luxury in the Class C motorhome category, seamlessly blending style and versatility for travelers of all kinds. With its sleek exterior design and high-quality construction, the Viper stands out on the road while offering a comfortable, inviting interior. Inside, you'll find spacious living areas adorned with elegant furnishings and modern finishes, making it a perfect home away from home. The well-equipped kitchen features top-notch appliances, allowing you to prepare gourmet meals on your adventures. Versatile sleeping arrangements accommodate families or groups with ease, ensuring everyone enjoys a restful night's sleep. Whether you're planning a weekend getaway or a cross-country expedition, the Nexus RV Viper promises a luxurious and unforgettable experience, making every journey an adventure in comfort and style. The KZ-RV Durango Gold is the epitome of luxury in the fifth-wheel category, designed to elevate family adventures to new heights. With its spacious layouts and high-end amenities, this RV offers the perfect blend of comfort and functionality. Step inside to discover an inviting living area featuring plush seating, a large entertainment center, and elegant finishes that create a warm, home-like atmosphere. The gourmet kitchen boasts modern appliances and ample counter space, making meal preparation a breeze, whether you're cooking for two or a crowd. Families will appreciate the well-appointed bedrooms and multiple sleeping options, ensuring everyone has their own cozy space. With its robust construction and thoughtful design, the Durango Gold is ready to take you on unforgettable journeys, turning every trip into a luxurious getaway.